What's up, guys? In this video, I'm gonna be eating with my family. So yeah. So shout out to my best friend Lester, bro. He was there on day 1. So yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna cut. Yeah, we're on a car wash right now. So yeah. The hell is that? Car wash. Bro, the rain was crazy, bro. It looked like there was a tornado coming, gang. That was crazy, bro. Dumbledore. So yeah, I'm gonna cut. The thing is done. Car washed. So we're gonna go to. We are on Magnolia Robinson. So yeah.
Huwag mo na ako nagpahu-car wash na ako sa inyo.
Move fast, move down, 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 down.
Your blessings.
Why? You're not tough, bro. People keep on changing, life goes on. Daddy, do I get my bag or no? Do I bring my bag or no? Do I bring my bag or no? Daddy. Ha?
Ano?
Yeah. Do I bring my bag or no?
Gagailangan mo ba?
No.
Ikaw ba't ba yan?
No. It's on 60%.
60?
Yeah. Kaya lang, di naman tayo tatitigal eh. Diba? So, I'm gonna buy some Lucky's. Yeah.
Hindi na, kakaros ko na. Thank you, sir. Ah?
Elevator.
Dito na lang kami.
What?
Escalator na tayo. Para
Why?
sa escalator.
Okay.
Ha? Hindi ka naglagay ng jacket. Ano naman? Tigas talaga ng ulo mo. Bahala ka. Hindi mo naman yun. Pag nasa mall ka na. Hindi mo yun sa taas. Nakita mo umuulan eh. Kaya ako nag-jacket eh. Sulit mo talaga. Tatanggalin mo na ng pangit t-shirt mo.
We're on the mall. So yeah. Oh, this smells kind of good, guys. Okay.
May target para Raja target.
gonna go figure hunting, I think. So, yeah.
Mag-white kasi mamuting na.
Oh, cute little cat. Cute little cat. I'm a fig hunting. So Toy R Us here. So yeah.
Grocery ba? Grocery.
But I'm gonna go to there later.
Nga pala. Hindi, market ano yun? Market place.
This is what I see. This is my POV.
Tingin ng baby.
Huh?
Tingin ng baby. Tingnan tayo rito pa kami. Damit na naman eh. Damit na naman. Ito tayo. Ito kay mami sa November. Tingnan mo rito.
Yo, they have some Lego. Whoa, Ninjago. Alright. I'm gonna go to the I think I'm gonna go to figure aisle. Don't know where is it, but I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna find figure aisle. So yeah. There's a lot of figures. Okay, so I got my figure. It's brand new day. I'm gonna show it to you in the car.
Ito pwede, paano ko pa rin
Oh
sa'yo, boss?
my god, bro.
Para mag-text din sa'yo.
Ooh,
Ano, boss?
yo, this figure's actually nice,
Kilaro,
bro.
putang init si Larry na ano ko kay Larry. Guguluhan ako sa ano niya. Gulo eh.
Oh my, no, I'm gonna buy the Spider-Man Darkest Day. So yeah, bye guys.